Hello everybody, welcome to another Blackfire Gear Explainer Series, where I'm going to walk you through new products and answer any questions you might have along the way. If you're not familiar with us, Blackfire is the official outdoor gear brand of Klein Tools. Our knowledge of developing quality tools and gear runs deep, with over 160 years of experience. Our specialized team has crafted our new product line specifically for the outdoors while keeping the same quality standards you would expect from Klein. Today, we're going to cut right to the chase and talk about our new outdoor folding saw. This saw is great for cutting down small branches, tree limbs, clearing an area around a deer stand, or making sizable pieces to fuel your campfire for a long night ahead. Having a good personal saw while out camping or setting up a hunting spot is an absolute must to make quick work into turning tree limbs into manageable pieces. The Blackfire folding saw is equipped with a 5-inch carbon strength steel blade and a staggered tooth pattern for ripping through wood with ease. Don't underestimate its size. While on the compact side, it's completely capable of cutting logs up to 4 to 5 inches thick. When it comes to the handle design and portability, this saw is super compact as it folds down completely to around 6.5 inches. It allows it to be easily stored in a jacket pocket or backpack without stabbing yourself with the blade or tearing up the rest of your gear with its jagged teeth. The handle is built with an ergonomic design that allows you to really secure a comfortable grip. You'll notice various sections of rubberized molding located along the handle that help you get a good non-slip grip to power through those cuts. Once you're ready to go into action, it has 2 locking modes for cutting that can be released with a push lock located at the rear of the handle. The first mode being at 125 degrees partially open, which gives you an angled advantage for cutting limbs and branches overhead, which would normally be awkward to cut. The second mode is fully opened at 180, giving you a line drive into chopping up your logs quickly. As a bonus, you'll find an optional lanyard hole on the back for paracord and tethering if you're looking to avoid dropping your tool from higher up in a tree. That's all for our crash course into our new outdoor folding saw. You can check it out and learn more at blackfire.com for more information. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to our customer service department or social media channels where we have real people ready to help. From all of us at Blackfire, thanks for tuning in.